In this video, I will show you how to cancel subscriptions on PayPal. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you've set up a subscription through PayPal and you want to cancel it, then the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, come across to PayPal and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, what you want to do is come up to the address bar at the top and basically you want to enter the following. So after paypal.com, you want to get rid of this and just put my account /autopay, just like so, and then hit enter. So what this is going to do is take you to a part of PayPal where all your automatic payments are stored, so things like monthly subscriptions, installment plans, recurring payments, and even single payments to certain sellers. From here, if you look to the left hand side, you're going to see all your subscriptions and automatic payments, so you just need to select the one that you want to cancel. Let's take Adobe for example. Once you've clicked onto this, you're going to see the option to cancel at the top. You're going to see the cancel button, so just go ahead, give that a click. What it's going to do is take you to a confirmation screen like this. Then all you need to do is click the blue button here to stop pre-approved payments, and that's going to go ahead and cancel your subscription. So that's how to cancel subscriptions on PayPal. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.